Okay, today I'm shooting up a radio. It's a Connex 3300 HP. I did it up for a customer here on Facebook. I got it all done up. As you see, it's got all pure green displays, pure green TXRX light, pure green into the switches, pure green Nitro knobs. Also installed on the back, I added a dimmer control. That way you can turn it up and down with the dimmer. So we're going to leave that turned down right now while we shoot the video. We can go ahead and take it up to the watt meters. Taking channel 21. We've got somebody on channel 20 right now. On 200 watt scale. 1 is 10, 2 is 20. Audio. Hello. It's like about 55 watts. I'm going to go ahead and turn back up the dimmer control a little bit. Dimmer knob down. It starts to want to dim all the lights down. So, we're going to take it over here and get some radio checks on 19.
About $50 a piece. Did you get one with that one? Yeah. I like it when you got two of them, man. They look real good with two of them on the side. Yeah, 10 Roger. I don't like the way it sounds, though. I had it hooked up, and I don't know, maybe I just got to get used to that sound.
Somebody on there, you don't want to be rude and key up on them.
That speaker? Hey, Rockstar.
Yeah, go ahead.
What does it sound like right there?
That's beautiful.
Yeah, something off that radio then, because it's in the radio.
Oh, Roger. Yeah, that's perfect, man. I got you right on a 3 and a 30. It sounds real good.
Yeah, every time I put some power on that radio, they want to drop off.
No, 10-4.
Hey, 621, you got a couple winners close to me, man, so I'll catch you when they get out the way a little bit there. Yeah, 4, Roger, no doubt about it. No doubt. Papa, holler at you later. Roger, 621, your friend in South End is back quiet.
Our big radios, little tiny Cobra 19s didn't get over you guys.
Nah, you can't get over me, partner. It's just using my ear hole. That's about it.
I hear you.
Hello, Sam Magger. Yeah, because you can take a walkie-talkie and get in somebody's ear hole, right?
Oh, come on now.
Hey, Stalker.
What's up, Sandbagger? Roadstar waving.
Hey, Star, wave right back. You sound killing great tonight.
Roger, good deal. Running all Connex 3300.
It's the only job for you on my side of town.
10-4.
Because I couldn't get to see your headlights anymore. Hey, Sandbagger, you stalker. How you doing tonight?
Do you notice I ain't kind of been talking to you?
Audio. So 10-4. I think you're probably back up here now. So all it was the radio? Hey, big body.
Hey, 621, you in here?
Call me 188 around the Buckeye. Anyways, going over some of the features. You got your on and off switch, you got your squelch control, you got your mic gain, your RF gain, your PA, your FM, your AM, your banks to channels, your echo, your talkback, your off, 10K. You also got the dimmer control on the front of the radio. You can turn up and down also. You got your high and low dead key, 2 watt dead key on low, swings up about 55 watts. Same thing on high. It's got your noise blanker control. Again, it's all done in pure green. And hammered down. Again, 73s for Mr. Roadstar. 188 around the Buckeye, and we're back out.